Hi, this is Kimmy at Mouth Muscle Memory. Today I wanted to talk about the 4 goals of myofunctional therapy: lip seal, tongue up in the roof of the mouth, nasal breathing only, and correct swallow. These things, by working on them, I can help you to sleep better, to chew and swallow more optimally for good digestion, where to rest your tongue, which is in the palate, and how to breathe only with your nose. It's not as easy as it sounds, which is why I do comprehensive therapy programs. For anyone past the age of 5, it goes into 6 to 8 months. I meet you every 2 weeks. I give you exercises and strengthening tools to do every day. It takes about 5 minutes twice a day. It's pretty easy.